In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add hyperlinks to cells in Smartsheet. Adding hyperlinks is a simple way to make your sheets more interactive and useful. You can link to websites, documents, or even other Smartsheet items so people can quickly jump to the information they need. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the basic process step by step. First, start by opening the Smartsheet where you want to add your hyperlink. Make sure you're in the grid view so you can clearly see your rows and columns. Take a moment to locate the exact cell where you want the link to live. This could be in a text column, a task name, a notes column, or anywhere that makes sense for your workflow. Once you've identified the right spot, move your mouse over that cell and click to select it. You'll see that the cell becomes highlighted, indicating it's active. Now, instead of just typing into it, you're going to open the context menu. To do that, right-click directly on the selected cell. If you're using a trackpad or a Mac, you can usually perform a right-click by clicking with 2 fingers or holding down the Control key while you click. After you right-click, a small menu will appear next to your cursor. This menu gives you a variety of options related to that cell. Look through the list and find the option that says Add Hyperlink. Go ahead and click on Add Hyperlink. When you do this, Smartsheet will open a dialog box or small window where you can configure the link. Here, you'll typically see a field where you can paste a URL or choose another type of link, such as a link to another Smartsheet or a specific report. Paste or type in the link you want to use, and if there's an option, you can also customize the display text so the cell shows a friendly label instead of the full URL. Before you confirm, quickly double check that the link is correct and that the text in the cell says what you want it to say. When everything looks good, click OK or Apply, depending on what you see on your screen. Your cell is now hyperlinked. You can hover over it to preview the link or click it to make sure it opens the right destination. This simple action can make your Smartsheet much easier to navigate and more